pocket watch, a small clock that is usually attached to a chain and rests in your pocket until you need the time. To open the door of this watch, you push down on the button that is above the winding crown. The winding crown is how some pocket watches are wound up, while others use a small winding key you use in a hole in the back of the watch. When winding the pocket watch, you can watch as the gears move to tighten a spring that causes a small wheel, known as the balance wheel, to move the arms of the clock at the correct speed. The pocket watch was made by Peter Henle, a German watchmaker, in 1510. The pocket watch was made due to advancements in mainsprings, allowing for smaller watches. Their popularity dropped in the mid-1900s in exchange for wristwatches. Pocket watches use momentum much like other clocks, like grandfather clocks. However, grandfather clocks use a pendulum rather than a balance wheel. Even though pocket watches aren't used often today, these small accessories still continue to do their jobs for those who choose to use them. For those that are too far gone to be repaired, make for great historical decor.